Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. It was a green day for U.S. stocks, with the S&P 500 and the Dow, also the NASDAQ 100, all up by around 1%. The small cap Russell 2000 was up by the most, nearly 1.6%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with consumer discretionary and communication services at the top. Looking at some stocks on the move, Lululemon rallied more than 10% after joining the S&P 500. It's had a strong presence, up now around 44% over the past 12 months. Lululemon has always had a loyal customer base with more market share to grab since it's primarily prevalent in the United States. Lululemon begins trading on Wednesday and replaces Activision Blizzard in the S&P 500 after it was acquired by Microsoft. On Friday, Pfizer slashed its full-year outlook and admitted sales of COVID-19 vaccines will not be as strong as expected. The company also announced a cost-cutting restructuring program aimed at saving around $3.5 billion between now and next year. As a result, Pfizer got a few price target cuts, yet investors applauded the cost-cutting measures. And what brought out the bulls even more, the stock was already trading at multi-year lows heading into that announcement and bounced off of those lows today. Pfizer shares closed nearly 4% higher. And Apple shares closed little changed but in the red after two separate analyses showed the iPhone 15 is selling far worse in China than the iPhone 14. Analysts at Jefferies note competition from Huawei, while Counterpoint Research blames the China slump on a local economy still struggling to rebound from COVID. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. In data, we'll have retail sales, business inventories, and the NAHB Housing Market Index. Then when it comes to earnings, pre-market will continue with big banks, Bank of America and Goldman Sachs. J&J also reports in the pre-market. And then we'll hear earnings reports from United Airlines and J.B. Hunt after the closing bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.